In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop accepting responses on Typeform, ensuring that you have full control over managing who can interact with your form. Whether you've reached a response limit or simply want to halt submissions for review, managing your Typeform settings efficiently is key. So, let's get started with this straightforward process. First, navigate to the Typeform website and log into your account. This is essential as you'll need access to your forms within your personal workspace. Once logged in, locate the specific form or quiz for which you wish to stop accepting responses. Click to open that particular form. This step is crucial as it directs all your forthcoming actions to the correct form settings. With the form open, your next step is to access the form settings. At the top menu of the Typeform Designer, you'll notice a tab labeled Settings. Click on this tab to unveil several options catered to customizing your form's behavior and functionality. Among these options, locate and select responses. This section is where you'll manage how and when your form can collect data. In the responses settings, you'll find an option labeled Accept Responses. It should currently be toggled on, allowing respondents to submit their answers. To close your form and stop accepting new entries, toggle the Accept Responses switch to the off position. By doing so, your Typeform will be effectively closed, preventing any additional submissions. Remember, this action is immediate, so once you toggle off Accept Responses, no new entries will be accepted. This can be particularly beneficial if you've reached the maximum number of responses you can handle, or if you're preparing to analyze the collected data without the interference of new submissions. By following this process, you gain control over your form, ensuring that your data collection aligns with your schedule and requirements. And there you have it. Your Typeform is now closed to new responses. Should you need to reopen it at any time in the future, simply reverse the toggle action in the same settings menu, allowing respondents to start entering data again. This on-off flexibility is what makes managing your forms on Typeform versatile and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips on optimizing your Typeform experience. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.